Hi, we're Team 23 and we are First Solar Inc.
My name is Jorge Ramirez. I'm into introduction and the history of the company.
I'm Jesus Martinez and I'm going to be talking about the major accomplishments.
And I'm Ryan Vanderek, and I'm going to be discussing the success and revenue and current developments of First Solar.
The term solar, meaning from the sun, is the driving force behind solar technology. This technology can be traced back to the 3rd century BC when Greeks and Romans used mirrors as tools to light torches and candles, as well as the famed Archimedes' death ray. Horace Benedict de Saussure made hotboxes that used multiple levels of glass to achieve an inner temperature of 190 degrees Fahrenheit after several hours of sun exposure. French scientist Edmond Becquerel discovered certain materials produce small amounts of electric current when exposed to sunlight. The photovoltaic effect is caused by the emission of electrons after the sun's energy is introduced. The device that takes advantage of this flow of electric charge or current is called the solar cell. The semiconductor is usually silicon-based or made of cadmium telluride in First Solar's case. It has 4 main components: the semiconductor, 2 contacts, and a glass cover. In 1954, Bell Laboratories made the first photovoltaic solar cell capable of powering equipment with 4% efficiency. The space program later used solar cells to power radios and small electronics on the Vanguard 1. Later, in 1964, the Nimbus launched using solar power as well. The company was founded in 1990 as Solar Cells Inc. by Harold McMaster. It was then acquired by True North Partners LLC in 1999 and rebranded as First Solar Inc. As you can see, there's been many CEO changes since the name change. Started with Robert Gillette from 2006 to 2011, Mike Ahern from 2011 to 2012, James Hughes from 2012 to 2016, and now we have Mark Winmar from 2016 to present.
First Solar major accomplishments are 4 main ones. The cadmium telluride PV modules, which carry the world record in efficiency. Line utilization, manufacturing and banking, and last, we have sustainability. For this accomplishment, the cadmium telluride PV modules, we can see in this figure from the National Renewable Energy Lab that the thin film technologies which carry the First Solar cadmium telluride PV module are in green. But the main rival of First Solar are the silicon-based panels. In the next slide, which is assuming, we can see the world record. Here, the green dot with a yellow fill shows that First Solar carries the 22.1% efficiency for modules. In line utilization, the company accomplished very good power density. Power density is the power produced over a certain area. In here, I am going to show you an example. To produce 1 megawatt of DC power, First Solar requires 8,500 panels, while silicon-based requires around 3,200. Keep in mind these numbers because later on are going to be useful. Yes, First Solar requires more modules, but less space compared to silicon one. This makes a 2.2% better power density. For manufacturing and banking, the company accomplished for manufacturing that those 8,500 modules for manufacturing take less time. This means that in 3.5 hours, we can produce a module using less energy and requiring less resources. This means that the company can make the process more efficient, reducing the cost of production, and makes solar power more affordable for customers. This means happier customers. Last, we have sustainability advantage. The company made the modules that way they can be recovered in more than 90%. So those components that can be recoverable can be used in new modules and glass products.
First Solar's flagship product as of right now is the S4 solar panel. With the power output of 117 watts, it is currently the best that the industry has at the moment, with future developments for the S5 solar panel and the S6 solar panel, as well as the minimum voltage direct current plant architecture currently in development. The S4 PV module sports an 8% more power efficiency than the crystalline silicon solar panels, with a lower temperature coefficient of around negative 0.29 degrees Celsius. The Series 5 module, its slightly superior model, has currently been scrapped in favor of the Series 6, as the company believes that this is the way to go and will produce more power and be better for the company as a whole. This Series 6 is yet to be actually produced and is still in testing and is scheduled for release in 2018, along with the minimum voltage direct current power plant. This project is in development with fewer components, reduced wiring, and improved plant efficiency. First Solar seems to be doing pretty financially well. As we can see over here, they have a steady flow of income with continuously progressing throughout the year. They have a good gross profit and good sales. They have also very good financial standings with a very impressive net income. As we can see over here, they are in the positive numbers. And with net cash operating activities also looking pretty good. However, though, this goes without saying that the future of the alternative energy market is still very uncertain. With changes in policy and in government federal fundings might change and could potentially have a big impact on this industry in the future.
This has been a presentation for First Solar Inc.
We hope you enjoyed it.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.
Thank you.